Okay, everybody's heard the term flashbacks, and a lot of people receive flashbacks, and I just received one, and I just want to show how the system works, okay? We know the inquiry there is, or whatever, the arbitration or whatever, in Bathurst, where Michel Viano was shot dead by two cops from the Bathurst police force. And this is getting me a little bit upset here. Look at this headline. Officer says Michel Viano was driving toward another officer when shots were fired. So they're trying to justify what they did was okay to Michel Viano. And that's what they do here in New Brunswick. It's the system. It's the government to protect his enforcers of the law. That's the cops. Michel Viano was surrounded by people with no uniform, and next thing you know, he flipped out and tried to escape, and next thing you know, he was shot dead. Now, we're not going to talk about me. Ha! But there's something I want to show here now. Okay, I have it right here. I watch it, and I am having a hard time to watch this because it bothers me. And when stuff bothers me, I get upset. Now, you remember when the Bathurst police force approached me in 2016 beside the legislator. This was right here. Let me just show right quick how things could change. See that there? They approached me, two plain clothes approached me by the legislator and said, Monsieur Leblanc, watch.
Hey, mister, comment ça se fait que t'es en arrêt moi?
Moi aussi, police.
Okay, police, show a badge. Anybody can have a badge. I don't know who these two clowns are.
Québécois?
Oui.
Québécois, toi?
Non, Bréon. Charles, on aimerait te parler au sujet là, du libelle diffamatoire.
Des quoi?
Libelle diffamatoire.
Oui. Let's speak English.
Now, they're talking Quebec French, and I don't understand Quebec French. So I say speak English. And the majority of my listeners are English anyway.
Let's speak English, because I got a lot of, I have a lot of my listeners, yes, English.
And we'd like to...
Don't come too close. Don't come too close.
Just stay here, okay?
See, I don't know who these guys are. I don't have a clue. Right beside the legislator.
We have the cameras here. It's amazing that you guys are right near.
That's good.
Of the legislature. How come you didn't come home?
Listen.
No, hold it.
Yep.
Hold it. Well, number one, how come you didn't come over my place? Why here?
Well,
See, look at this goofball. Madar, his name. Look at this.
Hold it. Well, number one, how come you didn't...
See, look. Now, see that face there? That's the face of fascism. Right there. He's looking at the other cops and say, why do we have to listen to him? Because he's wrong. So, right off the bat, when I saw the facial expression, I said, oh boy, here we go. Because these guys are already made up their mind that they're guilty.
You didn't come over my place. Why here?
well, we're here now. We saw you, and
how would you know me?
Well, like I tried to tell you, we are.
You are CMP?
I'm the City of Edmundston Police Force.
Cops from the Edmundston Police coming to Fredericton.
Don't come too close. Don't come too close.
Let me talk to you.
I had 3 doubles coffee there, and I have ADHD. So.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Well.
Like they're just there saying, "Oh, we have to do this. Why do we have to explain it to him?"
We'd like to talk to you.
Yes.
About the defamatory libel.
Again?
Yes. In regards to the Fredericton Police Force.
Oh my God.
Members.
Which one?
Well, several of them, and the ones that you called pedophiles.
This is 2016, right?
Yes, it is.
And what's the date?
Why is that important?
Why is that important? See, like they're making fun of me here.
Why is it important? Because I thought we went through this with the Bernard Richard report in 2012.
Well, those comments are still on your blog there, Charles. Those videos are still on your blog, where you're calling Fredericton police officers pedophiles.
Did you know the police charged refugees? Yeah, did you know?
Now, I'm shaking here because I'm showing, get out of my wallet, that piece of paper where Rob Costello, God bless his soul, told my internet provider that I was exploiting children for sex. So, I mean, they falsely accused me of exploiting children for sex. I returned the favor, called them pedophiles, and then they're all upset. I'm getting upset here.
Excuse me a minute. Did you know the Fredericton Police Force accused me of exploiting children for sex? Did you know that?
We want to talk to you about that, Charles, but we'd like to do it in an interview room.
No, that's ridiculous.
Well, Charles, I'm going to place you under arrest.
No, I don't.
Place me under arrest. So there's two guys, two clowns, cowards, that I don't know. So next thing you know, I'll fast forward. You can watch this whole thing. Just go to Edmundston police officers failed to kidnap attempt a blogger in Fredericton, and you'll see the rest. So I'll put the rest on my Facebook or the blog. But watch this.
I don't think so. Hey, get the RCMP here. Get the RCMP. Get the RCMP here. No, I don't know you. I don't know you. Hey, no, leave me alone. You know. Hey, get the RCMP here. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab me.
The only thing I could do was scream and holler that there's two goons here who want to bring me for a ride.
I don't know who you guys are. Stop. I don't know who you guys are. Stop. Take this on. Leave me alone. Get the RCMP here. Who are you people? Who are you people?
We are...
No. Get the cops here. Get the RCMP here. Okay. Get the RCMP here.
We're going to go.
Get go. You don't bring me nowhere. You can be the boss guy. You can be anything.
Now, you see that there? I'm grabbing this guy, all right? I could have nailed that guy right across the head. I went anyway. But if I would have hit him, they would have got their weapons out and shoot me. That's what happened to Michel Vionneau. So, this thing here, as a matter of fact, I've been sending parts. This is the last part. And this issue here has never been addressed. The media ignored this. The government ignored this. Nobody made no inquiry. Two clowns, cowards, come from Edmundston, come and grab me. And if I would have punched him right in the head, what do you think would have happened? The headline would have said, well, blogger assaulted two police officers. Well, the blogger should have never assaulted two police officers. The blogger should have kept his mouth shut and just go with two strangers in a car, go for a drive. Now, anybody that knows me knows I could have punched him right across the head, and he wears glasses too. Now, what do you think would have happened? That's why citizens of New Brunswick should really, really look. I'm getting upset here. Should really, really pay attention what's going on in Bathurst. They just want permission of an inquiry to find out that give them the okay to shoot people. And no inquest, no nothing. No, these cops weren't even charged. I mean, they weren't even charged in a court law. But if I would have punched one of them, to have two strangers come and attack me, oh, they would have been protected by lawyers. I would have been charged. They would have put me in jail for 10 days. Is this over? No. And these cowards that send them after me, Yves Desprez, oh, coward, Acadian coward from Niguac, Fred Roiseau, Bobby Simmons, Dale Carter, River Rat, Matt Myers, and now worse for public safety. And of course, the other one's dead. But this is not done yet. I'm getting wound up here. But this inquiry is really, and I can't even watch the end of this because it gets me. Can you say PTSD?